The Alice sewing cabinet will arrive in 2 boxes ready for assembly. Start by opening box 1 to locate the assembly manual, hardware box, and lift box. To help make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Open and inventory the hardware and lift box to ensure all parts are present. To begin, insert 8 C3 cam locks into panel D. Make sure the directional arrow is facing the hole. This will make assembly easier later on. Insert 8 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel D. Flip panel D over. Screw 2 C1 cam bolts into panel D. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel X. Insert 4 C3 cam locks to panel X. Insert 4 D1 dowel pins. Attach the left lift rail using 3 S1 screws. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts into panel Z. Insert 2 C3 cam locks to panel Z. Insert 4 D1 dowel pins into panel Z. Insert 4 C3 cam locks to panel Y. Insert 6 D1 dowel pins into panel Y. Flip panel Y over. Attach 2 C1 cam bolts to panel Y. Attach right lift rail using 3 S1 screws. Insert 6 C3 cam locks to panel 02. Insert 2 D1 dowel pins into panel 02. Attach panel 02 to panel K with 4 S4 screws. Attach H handle to the panels using B3 fixed bolts. Lay panel D on a rug or protected surface. Lower panel Y, guiding cam bolts on panel D into cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Attach panels K and 02 to panel X, guiding cam bolts on panel X into cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Attach the assembly to panels D and Y as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Attach panel Z to panel D as shown. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to panel G. Slide cam bolts on panel G onto cam locks on panels X, Y, Z, and D. Tighten cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Finish securing panel G to the cabinet using S7 screws. Attach T2 locking plate casters to the front edge of panel G. Secure with B1 fixed bolts. Attach T1 non-locking plate casters to the back edge of panel G. Secure with B1 fixed bolts. Lock the casters. Flip the cabinet up onto its wheels. You might need another person to help with this step. Attach 4 H1 hinges to panels O and O1 using 12 S1 screws. Attach panel O to panel X using 6 S1 screws. Attach panel O1 to panel Z using 6 S1 screws.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information. For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below.
Attach 10 C1 cam bolts to panel A. Guide panel A's cam bolts into cam locks on cabinet assembly. Tighten the cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Attach 4 C1 cam bolts to each drawer front on panels K1, K2, and K3. There are 4 panels total. Insert 2 C4 cam locks on panels K4. There are 4 panels total. Insert 2 C4 cam locks on panels K5. There are 4 panels total. Attach panels K4 and K5 to the drawer fronts. Panels K1, K2, and K3. Sliding cam bolts on the drawer fronts into cam locks. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Carefully slide drawer bottoms, panel K7, into the grooves on the drawer fronts and sides. Attach drawer backs, panel K6, to drawer sides, panels K4 and K5, using S5 screws as shown. There are 4 total. Attach H handles with B2 fixed bolts. There are 4 total. Stick the panel protectors onto panels O1 and A, the left side as shown. Stick the panel protectors onto panels O and A, the right side as shown. Slide the drawers into the cabinet with the K3 drawer on the bottom, K2 drawers in the middle, and the K1 drawer on the top. Congratulations! A better sewing experience awaits.